Hello friends, this is Mosh Barry. Welcome to this video, and this is a huge problem solving video. So first of all, what I'm sharing with you here, it's free, 100% free, and it's an online service. So yeah, let's get excited. You see, whatever you do online, you need content, and no matter you do video or audio or some other media, your audience always love text-based content. Text-based content is always there no matter what else comes up new, right? So a lot of times we need to spend time or we need to spend money to get something written, get the content written. A lot of times we have created a video already, but we need a transcription service, or we need to transcribe the video ourselves. Yeah, there are other services, especially the narration, like voice to text services. There are free softwares, paid softwares, or even Google does it really well in Google Doc. And I use it a lot, but there is a problem. It's not 100% correct. Google still needs a lot of improvements. But hey, it's free, 100% free. So, why not? But still, in a professional level, you need something better. You need better punctuation, grammar, spelling, this type of stuff. So I found this service here. It's free, and this is how it works. Okay, let's start. So just click this, start recording, and you see whatever you're saying is being typed by the software, right? And it's cool. What's happening is they are typing whatever you're saying, and they're correcting the punctuations along the way. Now, I just gave a pause and see it starts with a new paragraph. That's the awesome part, and a lot other. I mean, when you try it yourself, you will be amazed to see how it works. Can you see that? It's doing really well, right? So now we're gonna stop this. Okay, stop. There is another way to do it. You can import audio or video. I want to import a video, right? So for that, choose file, and we will go to not here, yeah, launch file, and the 40-second demo for my latest software, NewsProfix Pro. Ignore invalid from 40 seconds demo. Oh, it's a PNG, sorry, my bad. NewsProfix Pro, final NewsProfix Pro demo. Oh, okay, it's found. Yeah, that's the one. Open, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. It's just uploading the video all by itself. So I will just pause this video as it's uploading. It's gonna take a few seconds. Well, it's not taking much time, so let's do it live. It's around 2 minutes. It's a 2-minute video, and let's see live how it works. I'm super excited. I have done this already with a 5-minute video, and I'm really excited. So it's success, right? Done. While it's uploading and processing, I will show you the transcription of the JV video. I just transcribed it using this software. Look how it looks like. It's the punctuation is correct with a little mistakes like Mosh Barry. It should be Mosh Barry, but Mosh is not an English word, so it's okay. It's not a mistake. And then Jason Fulton, you see the name is correct, as it's an English name. So the caps, the punctuations, all done all by itself. Okay, I'm gonna go back and show you live. Yeah, that's the one. You see, this is how it works. See, hello friends, my name is Mosh Barry, and welcome to the demo of NewsProfix Pro. And NewsProfix Pro is also not an English word, so they considered it Profits Pro. And you see, they did it almost right. And my accent is not even English, so catching my accent, and yeah, Again, look, speaking, matching in progress. They're still working on it. They're still improving. The AI, artificial intelligence, is extremely awesome. Look, welcome to the demo. And in this demo, I will show you how easy it is to build money-making news sites. This is still improving. I'm going to pause the video for a few seconds to let it finish, and then I'll come back and I will let you hear the voice and the narration, and also you'll match the text and see how it works. Okay, it's updated, right? So I'll run it live. All right, okay, done. Volume is up now.
Hello friends, this is Mosh Barry. Welcome to the demo of Newsprofix Pro. And in this video, I will show you how easy it is to build a money-making news site using Newsprofix Pro. So this is a brand new website. We just built it, and I have just gone through the settings area and put my Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and News API credentials and save settings. So it took me just a few minutes. And now I'm going to reset this timer, and I'm going to start building this new site from scratch. So let us first have a look at how many posts are here. Yes, there is no posts. Let's reload it. Alright. And now I'm going to create my new site. So for that, I'll go to Newsprofix section, top news to posts. And I've already selected CNN. Let's select ABC News. Right. And there will be 20 posts for 24 hours automatically. Save settings. And now I'm going to start the timer and click this button, select an action, run this rule now. Hit OK. And you can see the system is working in the background, creating money-making news posts.
All right, we got it right. it's insane. It's awesome. The few little mixed and oh, guess what? They even corrected. They updated it. Instead of Marcia Barry, it's now Marsh Barry. Like, they improved. This is awesome. So you can edit. All right, you can edit from here. Like, let's say 24 hours automatically, and you can just edit and correct it. Okay, correct here, correct there, do whatever you want. That's how it works. This is literally awesome. Super awesome. Once you're done, it's done. Right? And now you can export. Look here, you can export text, and yeah, you can decide what type of content there will be. Maybe I don't like the timer, so timestamps I don't like the speaker names for this one. Merge name, speaker segments. Okay, remove auto branding and export. Yeah, remove. All right, and then continue. Once you continue, yep. So see, the text version is ready. Literally awesome. And somewhere near this video, you'll find a link to go there. It's free. So go use it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.